I know you're
What do you do?
Mrs. Smart,
What do
where
you
are
do?
you? Talk to me very nicely. I want to come and
wonderful.
see you.
I wonderful. I wonderful.
Mrs. Smart.
I wonderful.
Mrs. Smart.
What?
Mrs. Smart, where are you? You are busy laughing. Me, I'm not laughing at you. You know what I mean?
What?
Where are you?
What?
Where are you?
Miss Smart? You.
Where are you?
What? Who are you?
Where are you,
You.
Smart?
Yes,
You.
I'm the son
You.
of Lord Michael.
You.
Talk to me,
I'm
Mrs.
not-
Smart, please.
I'm not you. This.
You not me what?
You.
Mrs. Smart.
Who are you?
I hear
Who are you? I want.
properly.
What do you do? You.
Speak
What
properly.
do you do? You scrape you. You scrape you. Wonderful. Wonderful. Without it being me, are you? Without it me, you are.
Your English is
Wonderful,
broken, my
I'm
dear.
really and really. Without it me. Really and really. Without it me. Really and really. Without it me. Really and really. You. Really and really. You wonderful me. Without it you do. Without it me are you. What you? Oh. You
We are not
wonderful.
able to hear your English.
You wonderful.
Your English is very
Not
broken.
you.